In this video, I wanted to take a look at the Huawei Matepad Paper, a tablet that has an e-ink display for reading books, taking notes, and anything else you would do on a regular tablet. But since it doesn't have the traditional screen, this €500 tablet has its drawbacks. In the retail box, you can find a folio case, a charger and a cable, the M pencil and a few extra pencil tips, and some paperwork. When it comes to design, the Matepad Paper is super light considering its 10.3-inch screen. Weighing just 360 grams, it is comfortable to hold in the hand for longer periods of time, which is very important for reading books. The backplate is covered with a faux leather finish and it feels very nice to the touch. The supplied M pencil can be attached to the right side of the tablet with magnets, and it will be charged wirelessly at the same time. We have the volume rocker on the right, and on the top of the device, we can find a power key which doubles as a fast and accurate fingerprint reader. Besides, there is an array of mics and a speaker grill. On the bottom, we have another speaker grill and USB Type-C port for charging. Overall, the build quality of the tablet is very good and it feels quite premium. The supplied folio case has this textured finish and it closes with a pretty strong magnet. As the name of the device implies, it has an e-ink display which has a lot of benefits for reading books or any other content without putting a strain on your eyes, so you can use the device as long as you would read a traditional book or newspaper. Another key benefit is the battery life, as the screen consumes energy only when it refreshes. The standby time is up to 28 days, and if you want to use the device as a regular tablet, the battery will last you about 6 days. Charging time is just about 1.5 hours. The Matepad Paper ships with a Harmony OS 2 that doesn't have the Google Play Store, but it has its own app gallery where you can choose from a variety of different apps. The home screen shows the widgets of Calendar, Notes, Inbox, and Huawei Books for quick and easy access. The built-in Notes app allows you to take notes and choose from a few preloaded templates. One template that I miss in particular, simple pros and cons list. The Notes app has basic editing options and it supports handwriting to text and voice records, but I'm not a big hand note taker, so I didn't use these features much. Either way, writing, drawing, or just doodling experience with the M pencil is pretty good and it feels quite natural, yet e-ink display's refresh rate cannot compete with traditional screens. More on that in just a bit. The tablet ships with its own bookstore with the access to quite a few text and audiobooks. If you can't find your favorite title, you can always use third-party sources or simply sideload the ebook. Reading experience is excellent on this large screen. The e-ink display is easily visible outdoors and it doesn't make your eyes feel tired even after hours of looking at it. There is a built-in adjustable light for a more comfortable reading in low-light situations. If you're not in a mood for reading, the built-in stereo speakers are tuned for audiobooks and the sound is crisp and clear. Here is a quick audio test.
Upstairs, he could already hear his older brother Chris thundering around the place. His mean, heavy-footed brother always tore through every new house in order to stake his claim to the best bedroom before Oliver got the chance.
The e-ink display is great for reading books, taking notes, and so on. However, the e-ink's slow refresh rate may become annoying when you want to quickly scroll through the news feed. Watching videos is possible, but once you do that, you'll immediately realize this is not the intended purpose of this device. Just stick to reading books, taking notes, and doing other stuff that doesn't require a faster refresh rate. The settings menu allows you to customize the tablet to your liking and adjust quite a few settings. So who is this tablet for? I can easily recommend it for ebook readers, as the large screen and low weight of the tablet provide a great reading experience in all lighting conditions thanks to the built-in adjustable light. The Matepad Paper is great for taking notes too, and you get the M pencil in the retail box. I also like good quality speakers, and e-ink display doesn't consume a lot of power, meaning that the tablet will last you for days. The Huawei's Harmony OS allows you to do a lot more than just using a traditional e-reader, but the experience may not always be great due to the slow refresh rate of e-ink technology. If you are okay with that, the Matepad Paper can be a great device for you, but I would choose a traditional tablet for a better all-in-one experience. All things considered, the Huawei Matepad Paper is great for its main intended purpose: reading or listening to books, or taking notes, and everything else that does not require a fast refresh rate. For anything else, you have to decide if limitations of e-ink display technology are important to you or not. What do you think about the Huawei Matepad Paper? Would you buy this tablet or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.